Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Wells Fargo, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you order a replacement Wells Fargo debit card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to replace your Wells Fargo debit card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you recently went on a trip and noticed that your Wells Fargo debit card wasn't working for some reason, but you didn't lose it, but you need a replacement one to make business purchases. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Wells Fargo app. It's this red, yellow, and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Wells Fargo app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Wells Fargo app. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you want to order a replacement Wells Fargo debit card, you need to click on the menu button down here on the bottom right. It's these three horizontal lines. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and to order a replacement Wells Fargo debit card, click on this line right here called Card Settings. Once you click there, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and look for this line here called Replace My Card. All right, once you click there, this is where you can order a replacement Wells Fargo debit card. First, you're going to need to choose the account that you need a replacement card. I only have one, so let me go ahead and open this up right here. Okay, you can see that I have my debit card here, so I'm going to click there. Okay, next you do need to choose a reason why you need your Wells Fargo debit card replaced. If you click here, you get to choose between damaged, lost, or stolen. So choose whichever one is appropriate for you. If you choose lost or stolen, that means your debit card number is going to change. If you choose damaged, like I'm going to do, the card number is going to stay the same, but the security code and expiration date will change. Once you've chosen, go ahead and click on this red continue button. Okay, once you click there, you're going to get this review screen. So this new debit card for my Wells Fargo account, and then the address that's on file it's going to be shipped to. If you need a different address, you can go ahead and enter a one-time shipping address here, and then it lets me know the delivery method is going to be standard 5 to 7 days. If all that looks good to you and you'd like to go ahead and order a replacement Wells Fargo debit card, click on this red confirm button. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to order a replacement debit card for your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.